So this is the gun. Yep. Try to scrub some of this off. Yeah, when I picked it up, I saw a bunch of these red spots. I don't know what that stuff is. But I just want to re-clear the whole thing. But I'm not sure if this is carbon fiber or Kevlar. It's a really bright looking carbon, that's for sure. Yeah, there's these red spots all over the place. Yeah, this in there. So I just wanted to sand all that stuff off. And I'm pretty sure this is spray paint clear. So it's garbage. It looks okay. I'm sure I could cut it and buff it. But I'd rather put high quality clear in it so it lasts a long time. It's really cool washed up. It's gonna look so nice when it's re-cleared. Yeah, it's gonna be sweet. Looks crazy. So what I guess I'll start and do is hit it with a block and a wet sand. And I'm starting off with like a 400. You could start at 320, start at 600. Depends on how bad your hood is. But I wanted to get some of this stuff out. It's not all that exciting. It's just a lot of this. The whole way. Until I get all these little brown spots out. I could probably use something stronger than this. Let's see what I gotta do. Yeah, it's gonna take a long time to get this done, for sure. So I've been working on this for a little while. Got all the red spots or brown spots out, most of them. It's just a little wet, but it should evenly haze out like this all the way across. I might have to sand this down a little more, but overall pretty good. Looks pretty clean. It should haze up evenly. I need to get a new paint gun. I'll get that after work tonight, and might be able to spray this thing tomorrow. Hopefully it's as sunny as today. But yeah, probably resume this tomorrow. I didn't want to just make it all about how to sand, because anyone knows you just go back and forth and sand it till it's smooth. And I had a block to help keep everything flat, but for like this crevice right here, you can use your finger. I use that. And when you spray clear on it, it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth, because when you spray clear on it, it'll level out and then you can cut and buff the top layer of clear and it'll be perfect. But yeah, there's one little crack right here. Either way, it's gonna turn out good. We have to figure out where we're putting the hood pins. Probably right here and up on this side. I don't think about in the front. I think right here would be best, or up here. I'm gonna try to pull up some pictures of other Civics with it done. Alright, so this is the gun I'm gonna be using. This is the Pro from Harbor Freight. I don't really like these plastic caps, so I got one of their little metal ones. Cool. Because I used the cheap model gun from Harbor Freight, the $15 one, and I really didn't like these caps or whatever they did. Seemed like they leaked fluid out or something. I don't know. So this is the gun. Yep. That's the gun. Just freshly fallen. Still looks good. This is their Pro. And yeah, I gotta get these little stupid ties off real quick. Stuck on there. So yeah, this is the gun. Looks good. Before we use it though, I'm gonna clean it out. I'm gonna pull this off, pull the needle out, take the cap off, clean it all out. Put the cup in, spray some acetone through it, clean all this out just in case there's assembly lube and stuff in there and oil. So I'm sure there is, and I don't want that getting mixed up with the clear. After that is all good, we can mix up the clear and start spraying, because I already have the hood washed up. Some more touch-up spots I sanded. I wet sanded the whole thing. Probably not the best job sanding. I've done better on my last hood, but you're filling it in with thick clear coat anyways, and the hood looks the hood will turn out the way it looks when it's wet, and when the hood's wet it looks really fine. So I don't think I should scuff it down anymore. The clear coat's pretty thick, but there's just runs from the old guy and some sticky spots and stuff. I don't know what that is. It's like a little piece of paint in there, but I don't know. Everything else will get filled in, and then we'll buff it out also. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this out and I'll mix the paint. So we're gonna mix these. We got a 4-to-1 aeroclear and the activator. It's pretty hot outside, so I got the medium. You would want a fast activator if it was colder outside. But we'll go to here, 4-to-1 down there. So we'll fill it up to there. Fuck. And I don't know. Then we'll go up to the next 4 for the activator. Either way, I'll show you guys what I do. So we're going 4-to-1. Like I said a few times. We'll go up to the next 4 with the activator. Now we'll start a reaction. I gotta act quick, or else it's gonna start getting hard. And we'll just pour all this. All what we got. Hope it's enough to do a coat or 2. It sure stinks. So it's been a few days after I sprayed the hood, but I wasn't happy with the finish. There was some bubbling all around here and like on these little things here on each side of the hood. It was really bad on this side. So I hit it with 220, 320, 400 grit, and I went all the way up to 2500 grit, and this is the last finish. There's some little dots here, but they're really small compared to the huge ones that were here. The hood's a little faded right now, but I'm about to hit it with a rubbing compound. Ultimate compound by McGuire's. It's the best stuff, and should turn out a lot better. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. This is faded. This is just done. It's also gonna be polished on this. Well, I'll polish it and then I'll put wax on it, so it'll look better. It's a start. So I just put the hood on. I got the hood pins in. Didn't really record much because it was just super hot out and I was just sweating. Just a bunch of cutting and drilling and stuff. But, you know, you measure them out and they end up looking pretty good. There's this one. I measured the distance from this edge to here and the halfway mark to the edge. I don't know. They look about straight from the inside. Going up pretty good. The hood though, the clear could have been better, like in the center. I don't know if you could tell, but it changes the whole look of the car for sure. My fender's still messed up, got some dents in it, but it does clean up the front end of the car a lot. Just find a new fender and do a bumper. It should look pretty clean. This bumper's all scratched up like crazy. All the holes. But yeah, now they're all locked up. Now no one can pop my hood at work. And I got the key for it. So it works out. It looks really good.